Really? Is that what you want? You want that trout? Step one, pick the windiest day you can to light your grill. It's not bad now, but those flames were crazy a little while ago. We're gonna smoke up some trout here, guys. Some nice brook trout here we got the other day. We're gonna make some aluminum foil pockets, wrap them up in it. Gonna have some butter. Gonna go with some Grill Mates, spicy and smoky. Gonna add a little Bayou. And for our wood chip smokes, we're gonna try the apple. So as soon as these coals get nice and whitened up there, we'll put the chips on there. We'll get the trout all in their pockets and we'll slap them on there. Nice job, bro. There you go.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, buddy.
Wait, are we actually keeping it?
No, we're not gonna keep any. Come on, we got some trout at home we can eat. That's it, guys. Keep an eye on that for me. What do you think, guys? Time to flip them. Some nice coloring going on the aluminum foil there. Oh yeah, they're toasty too. Probably gonna lose all my butter. If you guys could smell that right now. Oh man, I wasn't kidding about that wind, guys. Look. Dog's ready to go in. Open them up and see what we're looking at here, guys. Try to keep all that butter inside there, though. Ooh. looking good. I'm gonna probably give it about 5 more minutes. Ooh, I smell them. You smell them, Cora? They smell good, huh? The heck? I gotta need some brakes. Yup. She's extra done. Oh, if you guys could only smell this. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Woo, she's sizzling. One more. Whoa. Look at those guys. Oh my. That one's well done. That one's not. That one's medium rare or medium well. You know what? I'm gonna put that one back on. That one's definitely a little bit more mushy than I'd like, but this one is perfect. Look at that. How's this one? That one's good too. Just this one needs to go back on for a few minutes. You know what? Let's put this one on too. Why not? I like my trout well done. Like that. Woo! Are we having a face-off? Really? Is that what you want? You want that trout? This one right here? Is that what you want? Is that the one you want? Is that good? All right, I think it's Cora approved. There we go, guys. All done. Now it's time to enjoy. Guys, don't forget, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.